Okay, so here we are in northern Michigan, driving home in the lake effect snowstorm. It looks like, if I were to guess, that maybe we have a foot of snow already on the ground off the road. We're coming in on one of our main drags in our association, which is Lakes of the North. And I wouldn't want to do this with anything but four-wheel drive. And the snowmobilers have found their way out, which they're probably pretty happy with that. And this is a day after Thanksgiving, and we are heading home from downstate, Northwest Ohio, visiting family. And I know this is a bit of a nauseating video, but I thought a few of you might enjoy it. Until next time.